Hello traders, today is the 15th of November 2010 and happy trading to you all. Right here I have the USD Yen currency pair, the crazy currency pair. Continue with our technical tool, the market geometry. We have, my apology for that, we have hit our first target, okay, on this USD Yen, our first target right here as we draw our rectangle here, okay, doing our projection of the Japanese intervention. You see this candle here, that's the day the Japanese government has intervened in the market, okay, and the market retraced back down the same distance right there. As you look carefully here, retrace down the same distance, okay. So what we call this is what they say, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. This movement to the upside due to the Japanese government intervention has been projected to the downside, which bring the price to where it was today, this level here, okay. I will draw another horizontal line there, okay. So what has happened is that for this action to this direction, there was an equal and opposite reaction, which is the movement from here down to this level here, okay. This is about the market geometry. This action by the Japanese government has been projected in the other direction, okay. So now we were saying in our previous video, if you did not watch our previous video about the stochastic geometry, the video that we titled the stochastic geometry, or other technical analysis videos, okay, you will see that we say that the first target for this USD Yen is 8300, which is this where this horizontal line is. I will draw another horizontal line there for you so you can see clearly what I'm talking about, okay. So we are now at our target. I'll put a green line there. That's where we hit our target today in this zone here, okay. The next target is the median line of this distance from here to here, okay. So we can draw another line here, talking about market geometry. Like I said, if you cannot draw, do not trade, okay. Now we draw another line somewhere here, okay. This is the middle of this candle here, okay, the median point, okay. We draw it here. So our next target, from if the price of finds support above 8300, the key level you need to pay attention to is 8300 for the USD Yen. If you find a clear-cut support above 8300 and the movement continues to the upside, the next target, okay, will be in this region where this horizontal line is. So we're talking about in the region of 8435, in the region of 84, call it 8435, okay. So this is where our next challenge will be, okay. There will be a resistance in that region, okay. I believe it will cross that level easily, okay, but it's a testing point for this progression of this USD Yen. The ultimate target levels is the top here, okay, at 8594 in the region, okay. So it's not a price level, in the region of 8594. That's our ultimate target. And the USD Yen, slowly by surely, if there is no more market manipulation, what I mean by market manipulation, no more crazy news, okay, to push back down this currency pair, it will progress in normal condition. Repeat, in normal condition, it will progress to 8594, in the region of 8594. This is about the market geometry. To summarize quickly what we are talking about here, one thing you need to remember is that Like we know in physics, they say for every action there is an opposite and equal reaction. This is what we have observed in this region here. The intervention of the Japanese government has been cancelled. Not cancelled from this point where it started, where it has finished. The projection is down from where the action has started from. For equal reaction, you have to have the opposite reaction from the origin of the action. I hope this is making sense to you. If you do not understand it, it doesn't matter, it's not so important. The price went up from this level, they are saying. So the natural tendency of this kind of facts and control action like this one is for the price to retrace the same distance from where it started from to the downside. That's why we have this movement to the downside here. Now, projecting what we did, we project this box here, this rectangle on top here to the downside, which is this box here. And we know that our first target is this level of A3. We were doing the video before when we were in this region here. Now our first target is achieved right there. It's a nice one, okay? Which means the market is in harmony nicely. There is no manipulation so far. The movement is natural, it's normal, okay? So if there is no more market manipulation, which means no more crazy news to push the USD yen down, the next target, the first nearest target, will be in this region of 8435. Those levels, pay attention to them, 8435. I believe it will easily cross that level. And the ultimate resistance level is in this region here at 8594. When the price reaches this level of 8594 for the first time, I will be definitely looking for opportunity to sell, because this is the first time the price tested this zone, and it will be a bit of battle between the bulls and the bear, and I will be taking part on the side of the bear to push it back down. So what we are expecting, to show you clearly again, talking about the market geometry, what we are expecting first, as I said to you, we expect it to test this level here, which it did now. It may come back a bit down like it did today. It may try to come back a bit. We will see what will happen. It may try to come back a bit before going up. That's one scenario, okay? But that remains to be seen. Do not try to predict the price. I don't do that. Do not predict the price. We follow the price. We use the TSCW24 and we keep our eyes wide open on the price. That's what we are doing, okay? If we manage to cross above 8300 and if find a support above it, if it find a support above 8300, the next target will be this region here, okay? At 8, in the region of 8435 region zone, okay? It may find a resistance there a bit and turn back a bit before continuing the movement to the upside. That remains to be seen. If it finds a support above the 8435, which is this horizontal line, the next target and ultimate target will be in the region of 8594. That will be the completion of all this action here, and the ultimate place, okay, to finish this video for you, this level that I'm drawing, I'm going to color it red. This level of in the region of 8600, if the USD yen managed to find a support above, which means it escaped the bearish pressure. All the zone here is a bearish pressure, but so far the bull are succeeding to progress the price up. If it crossed this red horizontal line successfully, there's nothing that can stop this USD yen to continue the movement and retest this level of 8900. Another projection of this distance from here to here, we project the same distance again, talking about market geometry from here to here. That will be the next box. So we are moving out of this first box here. We are challenged by the second box here. If we manage to succeed to cross this box successfully, breaking all the bear in this zone, we will continue to the movement to break the next box, which is this one here. Okay, so pay attention carefully. The first box is this one, the second box is this second one here, and the ultimate bullish zone is this. When the USD yen reach this zone, is extremely bullish, and we will observe carefully the action from there. Okay, this is about the market geometry. The market geometry is just using the price itself with the indicator. Like you see, you look at the price first and then you look at your indicator. So do not think that we do not use indicator. We perfectly use indicator. But our first observation, the first important thing that we look at is the price itself, and we confirm that with the indicator before we have excellent entry point. The price is the number one indicator. Okay, so I hope you understand this market geometry, that you will put it into practice, okay, in order to cream this market consistently. If you want to take part in the TSTW24 trading system, you need to go to www.stochastic-macd.com to get your TSTW24 or to purchase your TSTW SYS08. For those who are interested to compete with the best day traders, they need to get the master key for day trading at www.dayprotraders.com. We are the TSTW24 traders. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you.